Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. So my name is Muhammad Taufik bin SHAWAL. So I team leader for group 9 that will present about manufacturing accounting about Zuss coffee.
So this is our team members: Muhammad Amzar Taufik bin Abdul SHAWAL, Muhammad HASIF FITRI bin HAZAZUN, NURFATINI binti ABDULLAH, SHAMIMI binti SYAMSUDIN, NURUL SHAHIDAH binti Muhammad RASHID, and harmonis anak lelaki KUNALAN.
Assalamualaikum and good morning Dr. Shafar. My name is Muhammad HASIF FITRI bin HAZAZUN and my matrix number is 2512403889. So today I will present about company background. So company background Zuss Coffee. Zuss Coffee is a Malaysian homegrown coffee brand that started in 2019. So the idea behind Zuss Coffee is simple: to make good quality coffee, something people can enjoy every day, not just as a luxury. So what makes Zuss Coffee different? Zuss Coffee different, it is because the use of technology. Customer can easily order, pay and collect reward through the Zuss Coffee mobile app, which make the whole experience faster and more convenient. Zuss Coffee also focus on specialty grade coffee, modern cafe design and quick service, so while keeping price affordable for customer. So today Zuss Coffee continues to grow rapidly with many outlets across Malaysia and even in other countries. So that's all from me. I will pass to other slide to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Shafawati. My name is NURUL binti Muhammad RASHID. My matric number is 2512405554. Today I will present about the company that we are produce. As we know that Zuss Coffee, one of the shop that produce premium coffee such as black coffee, white coffee and milk and cold brew. Also produce others product. For example, coffee powder and something that relates to the coffee such as mug and tumblers. The coffee from the Zuss have a high quality with the premium coffee beans from local and import coffee beans. Before the coffee was made, the coffee beans need to be roasted to achieve the optimal aroma and taste. After that, the coffee will be sold to the customers with the aesthetic packaging cup. Other than that, Zuss Coffee is the differences than others coffee. This is because Zuss Coffee have the flavor, fragrant aroma and has a smooth texture that's suitable for in-store consumption and takeaway. Zuss Coffee also have their target market. For example, Zuss Coffee are focused for young people and adult people that are interested to the aesthetic coffee shop. As we know that young people and adult people will drink the coffee almost every day, so it means the Zuss Coffee to get a high profit in their business. Lastly, with the unique premium coffee and aroma, Zuss Coffee has produced their product 100 to 1,000 per cup and bottles per day, depends on the customer demand. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next to the statement of cost production. So first we can see direct material costs. This include raw materials such as coffee beans, milk, flavor syrups, cups and packaging. These costs are directly traceable to each cup of coffee produced. Based on estimate for academic purpose, the direct material cost is the total is 250,000 per month. Okay, the second one is direct labor cost. This refers to wages paid to the barista involved in preparing the beverage. The estimate monthly direct labor cost for Zuss Coffee is around 150,000 ringgit. And the third is manufacturing overhead costs. Basically, include indirect production costs such as electricity, water, machine maintenance, and equipment depreciation. The estimate overhead cost is about 100,000 per month. Therefore, the total estimate cost of production for Zuss Coffee is 5,100 per month. This statement help management control costs, set selling prices, and analyze profitable. That conclude my explanation. That's all from me. Thank you.
The importance of manufacturing is 1. Determining the true cost of product. Manufacturing isn't just buying and selling. Accounting must track three streams to find the true cost of product, like direct materials, there is the raw parts, direct labor for the hands-on work, and overhead is like the hidden costs like utilities, rent and repair. Without accurate accounting, you risk selling product at a rise price that doesn't actually cover your factory light bill. 2. Inventory management and cash flow. Account tracks the three stages of the shop floor, begin with the raw material, then work in process, and lastly finished goods. The goal is to minimize scrap capital. Every unsold part sitting on the shelf is cash that isn't in the bank. Accounting tells manufacturer exactly when they are overproducing. 3. Variance analysis. Accounting sets standard cost and compare it to actual cost. Material variance to alert you to high waste or scrap. Level variance to alert you to machine downtime or inefficiency. Accounting acts as the diagnostic tool for the factory health. The last one is strategic growth. The data from this link answers three critical CO level questions like, is it cheap to build this part or outsource it? Which product lines are actually making us money, and will the 2 million robot pay itself in the level saving?
Moving on to the nature of business. When we look at Zuss Coffee, we should see it just as a typical cafe. From a manufacturing accounting perspective, Zuss Coffee operates as a high-volume food and beverage manufacturer with a vertically integrated business model. First, their production style is classified as process manufacturing. Unlike a company that makes custom furniture, Zuss produces standardized products like their signature Spanish latte using a continuous repeatable process. This allows them to apply process costing, where costs are assigned to large batches of standardized units to maintain affordability and consistency across over 300 outlets. To understand their manufacturing nature, we look at the elements of manufacturing cost. Direct materials. This involves the global sourcing of green coffee beans and fresh milk. Direct labor is skilled baristas and central kitchen. Manufacturing overhead is depreciation of espresso machines, factory rent, and app technology. Lastly, inventory management. Unlike a car manufacturer, Zuss deals with highly perishable raw materials. This means their accounting focus is heavily on just-in-time production and first-in, first-out inventory flow to minimize waste and spoilage costs, which is critical for maintaining their profit margins.
Greeting Doctor, my name is Hemuni Tanak Lelaki KUNALAN, and today I will present the conclusion for this presentation. So in summary, this presentation has shown how Zuss Coffee use manufacturing accounting to determine its total production cost. So manufacturing accounting is important because it helps the company understand how much it actually costs to produce its coffee products. And through the manufacturing accounts, Zuss Coffee is able to clearly list and identify all the production costs involved. These costs include direct materials such as coffee beans and packaging materials, direct labor, which refer to the wages of workers involved in the production process, and manufacturing overhead like electricity, machine maintenance, and factory related expenses. So by separating and organizing these costs, the manufacturing account provides a clear picture of how production costs are accumulated. So by preparing and manufacturing account, Zuss Coffee can accurately identify the cost of good manufacture, and this information is very useful for pricing decision as it helps the company set selling price that cover costs while still earning a profit. It also support better cost management by allowing the company to control and monitor its production expenses. And with this reliable costing information, Zuss Coffee can improve its efficiency, increase profitability, and plan better for future operation. It also helps company to make a good financial decision. And overall, manufacturing accounting play an essential role in ensuring that Zuss Coffee operate efficiently and remain competitive in the market.
So that's all from our group. Thank you.